Hi, listen, I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to do an easy, simple eyebrow tutorial, something natural, which you can wear every day if you want to. As you know, I had got my brows micro shaded / ombre. I didn't go back for my touch-up yet because it haven't been 6 to 8 weeks, which your eyebrows will be completely healed. But I'm okay with the results of the first micro shading process. Not really. I feel like my ends are botched, and as I look at it right now, they look like different size. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you the story after. Like, I'm gonna upload a whole video with pictures, videos of the process, what went wrong, what was the confusion, and I will be getting my touch-up done from someone else. But anyways, let's start off with this brow tutorial. I'm using a mascara brush you can find at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Family Dollars, or buy online. You just want to brush your eyebrow hairs up. I don't have much eyebrows because the micro shading basically took most of my eyebrow ends hairs off. Yes, I was playing in the horror story, but yeah, they removed some of my eyebrows on the ends, but I do have a lot of hairs on the front. I'm just brushing it up. If you got long hairs that go outline your brows, you just want to get little scissors and cut it off. Right now I'm using this NK Auto eyeliner. I think it's in deep brown. I use that to outline my eyebrows, the top and the bottom. So you just want to look at your eyebrows, see what type of shape you want. I just go towards the shape that my eyebrows are. I see, since probably like 14, 15, one of my eyebrows was always taller than the other, meaning it always had an arch. I wanted my eyebrows to be the same when I got micro shaded, but as you can see, it still didn't happen. But you just want to outline your brows. Guys, now I'm just using an eyebrow pencil that I probably got from Walmart or maybe Dollar Tree, but it's probably cost $1 or $2, and I'm just sharpening it. The sharpener you can find at Dollar Tree for $1, but I use a eyebrow pencil because instead of the eyeliner, I feel that the eyebrow pencil is a little darker. I don't use black at all to outline or fill in my brows because I feel like it's just too harsh. So I usually use a deep brown or a dark brown, you know, any type of dark brown. I have to do it real hard a little bit so the pigment of the color can go on my skin. And when you don't really have brow hairs, it's hard to see color on your brows. So I just fill it in as much as possible. Really, does it matter how you fill your brows in? To me, not really, because the concealer is what really make the shape of your brows. I'm telling you, you can fill in your brows however you want, but if you have a killing concealer game, your brows will be so nice. So I'll show you at the end of the video. It's time to outline your brows with concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer you can find at your local beauty store. I think they're like $3 or $4 each. I'm using a lighter one underneath my brows and a color that matches my skin tone on top. I'm using one with makeup brush and one without. So this is the one without. I like using the brush better because I have more control. But instead of putting it on the back of my hand, I just use this little, I don't know what I got it from, this clear little thing. go for the concealer, you just want to blend it in with this eyebrow brush. I have a small puffy eyebrow brush that'll just help blend it out so smoothly. Just make sure you take your time, because you know sometimes you're in a rush, you get the concealer on your brows and then basically you gotta do it all over, you know, just do the fill-in a little bit over. But it's okay, because throughout the video I did do touch-ups, because you know I got a big old hand, a big old brush, so just lightly pat. So while I'm patting this light concealer underneath my brow to just give it that pop, that highlight factor, I have like a paper towel next to me, so I'll pat pat pat, brush the excess off the paper towel, and then pat 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 some more. And I just did the touch up with the eyebrow pencil, and now I'm just outlining a little bit more to make it a little sharper.